In 2013, Samsung introduced ISOCELL, an industry's first technology that isolates the pixels from each other by adding a wall-like barrier around the pixels. The name ISOCELL is a compound word made from the words isolate and cell. By isolating each pixel with a physical barrier, ISOCELL increases a pixel's full well capacity or ability to hold more light and reduces the crosstalk of light particles from one pixel to another. Samsung didn't stop there and went a step forward to deliver the same high quality even with sub-micrometer sized pixels, such as 0.7 micrometers. While the ISOCELL's wall kept the light photons from escaping to another pixel, the metallic grid used in between the color filter led to some optical loss as the metal absorbed or reflected some of the incoming light. The next generation ISOCELL technology, the ISOCELL Plus, replaced the metal grid with an innovative material, minimizing the optical loss and light reflection. With more light information, ISOCELL Plus delivers more accurate color reproduction, as well as better light sensitivity, enabling brighter and clearer images even in low-light environments. ISOCELL and ISOCELL Plus technology helped even the sub-micrometer-sized pixels to hold enough light to produce amazing pictures.